morning, Scots. I'm Lily.
And I'm Celeste, and you're watching another hype-filled episode of Scots Weekly.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing week so far.
Let's kick things off and dive right into our announcements for this week.
First up, Scots, do you love movies, TV shows?
Want to watch some awesome short films made by your classmates?
Then get hyped because Highland's 3rd annual film festival is happening today after school.
It all kicks off from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
And the best part, it's free for everyone.
Come out and support your fellow Scots and enjoy some incredible films from Scots Production and friends.
It's all happening today. Don't miss it, Scots. Next up, Scots, get ready for the FFA lip sync battle.
It's going down tomorrow night in the Wall.
Doors swing open at 5:30 p.m., so don't be late.
Bring your crew and get hyped for an unforgettable night.
And remember, Scots, this event is totally free for everyone.
Finally, Scots, Thanksgiving break starts this Friday at 1:18 p.m.
Yep, that means another 2-hour early out.
We are seriously spoiled, Scots.
So let's make sure you lock in today, tomorrow, and Friday. Finish those assignments, stay on top of practices, and handle everything you need before the break kicks off.
Now let's check in with Isabel for a quick announcement.
The mic's all yours.
A night under the stars.
Oh, hey Scots, I'm Isabella. Get ready for a night under the stars on January 10th, 2026 from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. at the Westchester. To buy your ticket, make sure you turn in the completed dance contract to the dean's office first. If you're bringing a non-HHS guest, their guest form must be approved by January 6th. Bring your 2025 to 26 HHS ID when purchasing. Tickets are sold before school, during lunch, and after school, not during free periods. The last day to buy tickets is January 7th, no exceptions.
It's time for Think It, Link It, Ink It.
Hi Scots, today we're here with Mia Mingo and Yamile Lameli to look at their notes and discuss writing points of confusions and connections.
So, Mia, I see that you created lots of notes with an essential question at the top. You've highlighted key terms and underlined main ideas. What is your next step?
Now I need to reread my notes yet again, find some things I'm confused about, and circle them in colored pen. I'm going to use a different color for this. Looking over my notes, this definitely confuses me. I think I need to research how I'm supposed to find the exigents. I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that's confusing to me in these notes.
Thanks, Mia.
You're very welcome.
Yamile, I see you have all of the other previous steps done. What is your next step?
Now I need to reread my notes again and make at least one connection, something that makes me think of an idea outside of my notes. Looking at my notes, this reminds me of something. I'm going to write a this reminds me connection in a different colored pen. I'm going to write this reminds me that fluorine is the most electronegative atom on the periodic table.
That's a great connection, Yamile. Thank you.
You're welcome, Jacob.
Mia and Yamile, thanks for being with us today to show all Scots how to
Think it, link it, and ink it with focus notes.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's dive into the latest from our sports teams.
What's up, Scots? I'm Frankie Barra.
And I'm Adrian Quadras, and we're back with some sports news.
First up, girls tennis.
Equipment return is today at 4 p.m. in Kenny's office at the gym.
Make sure you stop by and turn in your gear.
Next up, this Thursday, JV girls wrestling team is having the Queen's Invite at 8 a.m. Good luck, Lady Scots.
Finally, on Friday, the JV boys are having their JV Classic at 8 a.m. Good luck.
Scots, show up, show out, and support your fellow athletes.
That's it from us, Scots.
Have a great day.
Thanks for that sports update.
Stick around, Scots.
We'll be back shortly right after this quick break.
Did you guys hear how Chase kissed Lorelai in the bathroom?
I did, that was so weird.
I know, it's disgusting. Celeste, did you hear about it? Celeste.
Celeste, you're always on your phone.
You're right, guys. The phone is doing me no good. I feel like I'm failing all my classes, and I'm losing all you guys.
You'll never lose.
You can never lose us.
have it? Holly, did you send me the fight video? Okay, I never ended up sending it to me.
Oh my god, what are you guys talking about?
The fight video, did you see it during lunch? Look.
Oh my god, Makaya, look!
No, I'm good. You know that could really hurt someone's digital footprint, right?
Anyways.
Alright then. I'm gonna hand out your test. Remember, no phones. No phones, Mariah. No phones, Holly. No phones, Paisley. Oh wait. Okay, Paisley, good job. No phones, Jazzy.
What phone?
That one you had in your hand right there. Good job, Micah. No phones, Aileen. Adrian, no phones.
My bad.
If you are on your phones, it will result in an automatic F, so you do not want that before your quarter ends. So let's get this test done, and you'll be good.
Holly, do you know the answers?
Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna use Snapchat AI. Hey, can you send that to me on Instagram? Gotcha.
Time's up, class. It's time to hand over your tests. I will finish grading them by the end of class. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Of course. Thank you.
So when are you grading them?
It'll be done by the end of class, actually, so you will see your results right now. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, let's just...
Although social media is fun, entertaining, and a good way to communicate, these days people use social media for the wrong reasons, like cheating. This is a result of using social media irresponsibly. Make sure you use social media responsibly, lock in on your work, and plan up.
That's gonna wrap it up for this week, Scots.
Thanks for hanging out with us and staying locked in.
Keep showing the Highland pride in everything you do.
Until then, stay sharp, stay spirited, and always
Flat up!